Toyota makes waves in the automotive world with the debut of the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia, an SUV that seamlessly blends Toyota's legacy of quality with an innovative vision for the future. With a nod to its nearly 70-year history, the Crown Signia emerges as the second entrant in Toyota's US Crown lineup and marks the iconic nameplate's leap into the SUV category. Elevating comfort and style, this SUV boasts an exclusively equipped Toyota Hybrid Electric Vehicle (HEV) powertrain and on-demand all-wheel drive (AWD), available in XLE and limited grades. Inside, experience refined luxury with textured leather-trimmed seats, a floating 12.3-inch Toyota audio multimedia touchscreen, and a mobile command center feel, setting new standards in elegance and connectivity. Under the hood, the 2025 Crown Signia delivers 243 combined system net horsepower and boasts a preliminary estimated 36 combined mpg, coupled with a towing capacity of up to 2,700 pounds. In alignment with Toyota's Beyond Zero vision for carbon neutrality, the Crown Signia represents a step towards a sustainable future with its super ultra-low emission vehicle (SULEV) classification. Crafted at the Tsutsumi plant in Japan and built on the Toyota New Global Architecture (TNGA-K) platform, the 2025 Crown Signia embodies the perfect synergy of sedan-like comfort and SUV versatility. As the Toyota lineup expands its hybrid offerings, the Crown Signia leads the charge, boasting Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 and innovative driver assistance features. Get ready to redefine luxury and performance with the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. Stay tuned for the arrival of the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia, set to grace Toyota dealerships in the summer of 2024. This is Automoto Network, keeping you ahead of the curve in automotive innovation.